Hi guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the BET tactical knife. Besides many tactical tools, the best tactical knife is not only for cutting ordinary materials. This tool can also be a self-defense weapon and an emergency tool for breaking car windows and fastening seat belts. Everyone can take advantage of this tool, from law enforcement to campers, hunters, and more. Today, a variety of tactical folding knives are dominating the tactical market to provide more than one function. When choosing the right tactical folding knife for your needs, there are many things to keep in mind. To help you hunt down which one is best for you, we combed through dozens of best-selling tactical knives to see which knife garnered top-notch ratings. We independently research and recommend the best products. A commission may be earned if you buy something through our links. For more information, don't forget to check links mentioned in the description down below. Okay, let's start with the video. We start with the Spyderco Yojimbo 2. It is a serious self-defense knife designed and perfected by melee expert Michael Janisch. The unique shape of the Wharncliffe blade is designed to ensure maximum surface contact in all situations. Its signature tongue hole allows for quick one-handed opening and handling. A unique attribute of this knife is the thumb-forward grip. It allows the blade to feel like a natural extension of the hand. While specifically designed for self-defense, the Yojimbo 2 is the perfect size for an EDC, allowing you to take it with you at all times. It has nested stainless steel liners which provide structural strength and form the backbone of the knife's high-strength compression lock mechanism. At number 4, Snake Eye Tactical Folding Pocket Knife. This is one of the coolest-looking pocket knives on the market today. This knife is very sharp, and it can be used mainly for combat or cutting the toughest materials. With its huge blade claw, it can wound someone quite horribly. Thankfully, there is a raised end point to use as a screwdriver or break glass, so this knife is not just simply for lethal purposes. The knife is all stainless steel, as it tanks the large finger holder ring on the handle as it allows to wear tactical gloves when using the knife. It also has a clip, making it easy to put in your pocket. Opening the knife with the help of spring is quite easy when a little gravity is applied. Simply pinch the blade and press the knife down to open it securely. This knife is in the reverse grip because that is more suitable. At number 3, Smith & Wesson Border Guard Folding Knife. This is a reliable folding tactical knife and easy to carry for work and play. This particular model is huge and comes with a sturdy clamp that makes the knife accessible. This tactical pocket knife is really hard and can be injured a lot. The stainless steel blade feels a bit heavy and solid in hand, which is fine for a rescue knife. It's even sharp enough to cut rope or scratch through the wood while hunting, thanks to its serrations and blood grooves. The knife opens well with just a little pressure and a slight flick of the wrist. The knife has two-handed thumb, allowing one-handed use. It gives the security that the blade won't close on fingers. The black aluminum handle of this tactical folding knife provides excellent grip with TrackTech inserts. At the top rear, there is a glass breaker for breaking thin glass in an emergency and a wire cutter. At number 2, Gerber 06 Auto. This is another heavy-duty automatic knife that's favored by the military for its durability and effortlessness of use. If you are used to Gerber, that are cheap Chinese blister pack knives you throw away when they get dull. It may not be pretty, but it's tough as nails and ready to take on anything. Grips are 6061 aluminum with a hard anodized layer. Ergonomically, it got a rock-solid grip, with definite outward curves that your fingers rest against towards the pivot, forming an effective finger guard. The implementation is a coil spring automatic with a heavy-duty dive lock, which also features two-way safety. When pushed towards the button, it locks the blade from closing, and can also work when the blade is open to prevent the lock from opening. Like many weapons, the safety switch has a red dot to indicate that the safety is also disconnected. The two blade shapes are the flat drop point and the American Tanto, both partially serrated and coated in black. All 06 Autos also come with a back pad that extends beyond the end of the grip to form a knob, which also includes a lanyard hole if you need it. At number 1, Spyderco Military. This is a product designed for the provision of the highest level of protection to forward-deployed military personnel. It features all Spyderco's trademark-style elements. This is modified with a clip point profile and a full flat grind for enhanced balance and performance. A defining feature of this model is the fully accessible 14 round hole. It allows fast, ambidextrous, glove-free opening with just one hand. It features nested liner lock mechanisms, textured G10 scales, lined lanyard holes, and right-side, tip-down pocket clip that lets you access the knife immediately. It is stretching nearly 10 inches from head to butt when opened, but weighing only 4.5 ounces. The shape of the tactical knife is a long, thin, completely flat grip with a perfectly straight spine and a continuous curve to the edge extending 4 inches over. It is available with a satin finish or with DLC coating for non-reflectivity. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us and click the bell icon to get notification and to watch further more videos. Did we leave off any tactical knife? Let us know in the comments. See you guys in the next video.